Hi, my name is Ruby Grizzadome from Medical Careers in the Patient Care Pathway at Clovis East. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to keep you and your family less likely from contracting a disease through cleaning and sanitizing your home. First up, you need to know what kind of sanitizing agents you can use. There are many options when it comes to these agents, such as commercial wipes or commercial sprays. But if you have no access to these agents, you can easily substitute them with 4 teaspoons of bleach and 4 cups of water. However, this solution isn't good for food contact areas. If you want to use a solution for food contact areas, you should use 1 teaspoon of bleach and 4 cups of water. When you're doing a lot of sanitizing, you should use gloves. But if you have no access to gloves, you should use plastic bags. There are a lot of everyday items that you don't pay attention to, and it is important that you disinfect these items often. These items may include a microwave touchpad, light switches, floorboards, toilet levers, car steering wheel and car touchpad, car handles, mailboxes, and door handles. One place you may never thought of is your doorbell. A lot of people come there and touch it, but you never know where they've been. When sanitizing, make sure that you keep a door or window open so that these chemicals aren't just staying in your house. Also, make sure that you let these items air dry after you sanitize them before you wipe them down again. Make sure that you remove your PPE correctly so that you don't infect yourself and others. Stay cautious and stay safe.